How to watch YouTube TV on iPhone. YouTube TV is a paid US-only service that replaces cable TV by offering live channels like ESPN, CNN, and ABC with unlimited DVR. It has nothing to do with uploading videos, it's just a streaming TV subscription, not a creator tool. To download YouTube TV, first open the App Store. Then go to the Search tab. Then type in YouTube TV in the search bar. Tap YouTube TV when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the YouTube TV app. That's all it takes to download YouTube TV. That's it. Thanks for watching.